thing. I will add 3 or 4h, and here also I will change the name, and this age also I change to 24, and when I click my update button, my value is updated. So it is not refreshed because I haven't inserted my refresh method. So let's let it be for now. We will run the program once again, then you can see the edited values in here. And now we will try to edit our decision making tab. Just click here. So you want to edit, because we have just taken these 3 fields, so we can just edit these values. I will insert here 50,000 and here 5555, and this is the primary key, so you cannot change it using update. So I just press update. So I already told you that this is my primary key, so you cannot update this. So instead of pump ID, we can change, or we can take the volume flow from here. So take the volume flow text field name and paste it here instead of pump ID, because pump IDs are primary key and which cannot be edited. And in here we will change, instead of pump ID, we will change the name volume flow column. And just to refresh my table instantly, I will copy this update table method which I have shown you earlier. So when I press the update, you can see the values instantaneously when I will edit, and then I will once again try to run the program and try to change the values. So this, you can see here the update takes place, and here because we have inserted the primary key, so we now change it to volume flow. And now I will try to change the values. For example, pump ID 7, I will change the value to 222, 3333 and 4444, and then I will press the update button, and you can see that this value has already changed, and all the values have changed because I haven't defined for which pump ID I want to change the data. So you have to write it here. After your update query, update user info set volume flow, this code where your pump ID is equal to so we will define one more table for pump ID here, because we have to give the name of your pump ID number, so which pump ID in which you want to edit your data. So write it here, pump ID, and I will copy here this, copy and paste it here this, and I will change just the value because my pump ID here is value 4, stored in value 4. So just write where pump ID is equal to 4. and now I will run the program. So for example, I want to change the value for this 10th text field. I will change it as 0, 1 and 2, and when I click the update button, my values are updated only for this 10th field. Once again, for 9th, I want to change the values to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here 4. So I will press update and you can update the values. Here you can see the values are updated. I want to update the value for this from the same update button. So for example, I want to change this 8th employee ID data, so I will name it as Mark anything, Mark John for example, and I will change his age to 24, and when I press update, the value is updated and you can see employee number 8 is updated. So in this way you can change or update the value from same button in different tables. So I'm updating the tables, do different tables from a single update button, so you can do that. So I hope you have learned something new today, and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.